Good day, my ladies and my gents. Happy Wednesday, which means it's time for another gripping episode of What Did You Buy Wednesday? Hang on to your shorts, boys and girls. This is going to be a fun ride, he said sarcastically. Anyway, hosted by our buddy Joe up there, Big Sky Model Workshop, up there in the big sky country of Montana. Whole idea is stash ads. You got some new stuff. You got some killer deals on some stuff. You hit a really good auction on eBay or whatever, Facebook, whatever, and you want to show them off. You found a new vendor online that's got some great products and some decent prices and decent customer service. Let us know about it. Talk to us about it. We need to support our little vendors out there. You picked up something from a craft store that is, hey, check this out. This will work for doing that. Let us know about it. Show us, man. Tell us about it. This type of thing. So, to that end, you remember here, I guess it was 3 weeks ago, I got an order in for some, they call it, from Hooligan scale models, and he calls it the Z Camero wheels and tires. And I've had 2 sets of the rears. I've taken them off of the supports and put them in smaller bags, save some room in my storage drawer because it's getting full. But anyway, so I got these. There are 2 sets of the 14-inch rears. That's not really going to work. 14-inch fronts is, unless you have a specific application, really isn't that great an idea. So I emailed them, said, hey, this goofed up. How about I buy another set and you send me a set of 10-inch, 10-inch sets instead of the 10 and 14, and we'll call it great. And I'll buy them, no problem. Didn't hear anything. Sent a second email. Sent a third. Finally, about a week and a half ago, I sent a fourth, and I said, hey, guys, this goofed up. We need to talk. But I haven't had an answer. And they cut back, and they said, what are you talking about? This is the first email we've got. And then they went looking, and they found out that they weren't being notified about emails, and it had gotten buried. So they had to do some tweaking on their system and get things reorganized. Hooligans now has a system where they will be notified when an email comes through from their website. So the customer service will pick up dramatically now. And in make it good, they sent me 2 sets of the regular set, and you can see the difference: the 10-inch and the 14-inch, 10-inch wheel, 14-inch wheel. Yeah, they're pretty. But I still got 2 sets of rears. So, I do have some other Camaro style wheels that I can use. I think they're 8-inch and 10-inch, and we'll probably use them for the front wheels on another. Needs a little bit more hot roddy mag. So we got that. Second, now, VCG Resins. I got an order in. This month, my goodie box was going to be a set of the new wheels that came out. And you can see, first of all, how well he packs. Little sticker. I love that new design. That is so nice. You can see, well, I ordered a set of wheels that had a bit of neat design on them. And my goodie wheels was these smooth ones. Let me get out one of the fronts. It's a skinny front. But it's these wheels. And so, yeah, it's they're neat wheels. They're smooth. And he comes with some little hubcaps. Let's see if I can get a better... No, it's not wanting to give me. But anyway, it comes with a little set of... Well, let me zoom. Hey, there we are. Center hubs and knockoffs that are all separate, so you can paint them however you like. And of course, it comes with the adapters on the back to fit with a variety of different types of stuff. But the wheels, the tires, I wanted to show these. Get it over here in the light. Look at those. Those are so cool. I love these. And you can even see, let me zoom in a little closer, and it even has comfort cords. Yeah, Michelin. Of course, it's got the Michelin there. But those are so pretty. Made in France. But I love those. Uh, I may still go ahead and order the other set too. I am going to use these. I'm just not sure what on yet. I got a couple ideas, but I'm not sure yet. But anyway, these are the vintage hot rod wheels and tires. So yeah, they're old style Michelin wheels, Michelin tires. The other one I got, I went ahead and popped over and I picked up the single overhead cam with Weber carbs. Four dual barrel Weber carbs and on the 427 engine over its the SOHC engine, and these are really come out to be neat engines. And one thing it does come with, these guys, they're spark plug boots that you actually put in the head, where the spark plug wires go. And yeah, so yeah, that's kind of neat. But it has, let me zoom in again just a little, all the velocity stacks and so forth. So yeah, and it comes with your choice of transmission. I think it had a top loader and the turbo hydromatic 350. I went ahead and got the THM, whatever it is. So, but anyway, go ahead, talk about Josh real quick while we're talking about Josh. VCGResins.com. Be sure and go check them out. Sign up for the newsletter on the homepage. Name, email address, submit. You're signed up. Uh, no, no obligation. Doesn't cost you nothing. Everything's cool, and you get notified when there's news of that Josh has to put out for his store and that type of thing. So you only get maybe a couple, maybe 3 emails a month. You're not going to get spammed with them every day. Go shopping. I go, man, go take a look at all this stuff he's got on there. And then, of course, when you get to the checkout, be sure to use promo code Jester10. Saves you 10% on your order. Does not include shipping, but that's all the $6. We've talked about it. So before chances of you actually having something break in shipping is, unless they run over with a truck, is practically nothing. So be sure and go visit vcgresins.com. Yeah, and go on over to over here to hooliganscalemodels.com. I'll have a link in the description, and go check him out. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I got that 53 Ford finished up last night, and I'm calling it done. It's not perfect, but it's done. And I'm not sure what I'm going to start on next. I'm going to spend the next little while cogitating on that, and I'll talk about it on Sunday with the Sunday Text Talk. Unless I get a wild bird and something really exciting comes up between now and then, I will talk to y'all Sunday. B-Tex, signing out.